Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we have a tango walk technique, something you must know if you dance Argentine tango.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, and if you're enjoying it, like it and share with your friends. Side step. Let's go 2 feet together at first before going. Walking, using ball of the foot for the followers. Side step. We are walking, keeping the upper body together. Keep the embrace in this case, sending the leg first, and then transfer body weight later. So timing to transfer body weight is very important. This is a tip I want to give you today, especially for followers, also for leaders, but the timing. When I feel the lead, I extend the leg. I'm moving back with the leg without the torso. The torso will move later when the leader moves forward. And I go up to my axis, send the leg again. So all the time I feel if the step is short, if the step is larger, I feel the timing moving from the leg first, extending, and later transfer the upper body to the leg.
Very good. So now one thing also that we should keep in mind is the connection we have. We'll do it just a simple walk. Here is the connection we have on our rib cage. So we lower and we both have to, like Miriam was mentioning, extending the leg. But the connection at the moment, I'm using my center for leaders to transfer her body weight. Can you see this? I'm stopping in the middle. One, we'll stop in the middle again. Do you notice that with my rib cage, I'm helping her to transfer her body weight? Be careful, don't use your torso, your shoulders like this. One, she will start collapsing. We want to use lowering the position of the legs, and from your center, your core, you want to take the step and lift her to take that step. 1, 2, and 3. If we have a piece of paper between my ribcage and hers, it should not fall to the floor. So followers don't try to help by going back, and leaders don't create this position when you are afraid of pushing her.
For both, we're using ball of the foot. Try not to use the heel, mostly for the followers walking backwards.
Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part.
We feel the lead on toe. From toe, we go on ball of the foot. And I try to keep it on that part of my feet. So let me do it wrong. Don't do this. See, if I rush to get to my heel, I'm dragging him. So the tip is toe, ball of the foot. Don't use the heel. You can make it softer or not on the knee. It doesn't mean you have to use the heel. Heel could be all the time off the floor to make it nicer, more elegant, and to have more connection with the leader, feeling musicality, rhythm, and timing.
Very, very, very good. Try to incorporate this to your dance. Every time you have a walk, a transition at the milonga, dancing with your partner, try to apply this technique. That will help you a lot.
Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you on the next one.